Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video, we're going to continue our potato replacement series with kohlrabi. Now, if you recall from the first potato substitute video, which I'll link to right up here, when I tasted the kohlrabi raw, I really felt it had a very potato-like texture and an almost buttery sort of taste. To me, that makes this the perfect candidate for au gratin potatoes. Let's get to making them. I have 3 kohlrabi, which I am going to slice off the ends. And peel. All right, good enough. We'll take this and put it in the composter. Then I'm going to slice these up super thin with a hand mandolin. I highly recommend, if you're going to use any sort of mandolin ever, wear a Kevlar glove like this. I've lost a lot of fingertips without one. Then I'm going to freshly grate some Parmesan cheese here. I'm going to want these pretty cheesy. So I think I'm going to do about 3 ounces. I have an 8-inch Pyrex baking dish here that I'm going to brush down with a little olive oil. And then we'll start layering our kohlrabi. Then we'll sprinkle some of our Parmesan. Drizzle a little heavy whipping cream. And repeat. After my first few layers, I'm going to give it a grind of fresh black pepper and a little dusting of sea salt. And then continue with my layers. For this last layer, I'm going to use up the final bit of my cup of heavy whipping cream before I put on the cheese. Brush it around so that they're all coated. Hit it again with a little fresh ground pepper. Sprinkle of salt, and the last of our Parmesan. And then this will go into a 350-degree oven for about 60 minutes. All right, it has been 60 minutes, and this looks to be about the temperature of the surface of the sun. So we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes, then we'll carve it up and have a taste. Hot enough for you?
It's hot. It's good.
A little hot. I like it though.
Good stuff. I love kohlrabi. It's so good. The cheese melted and crispy.
So there you go, kohlrabi au gratin. In fact, I like it better than potatoes au gratin. It is still a little bit carby. If you divide your 8-inch tray into, say, 6 servings, you're looking at 6 net grams of carbs per serving. Still considerably less than potatoes. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell if you want to be notified whenever I release a new video. If you're interested in supporting Serious Keto and would like some extra little perks, click that join button. No obligation, you can see what we have to offer. Thanks for watching.